Hi, fourth graders. Thanks for joining me today for math. Here are the materials that you'll need for today's lesson. Unit 7, How Many Packages and Groups? Investigation 3, Solving Division Problems. Today's session is session 3.4, Multi-Step Problems and Division Strategies. 10-minute math, closest estimate, problem number 1. Without solving the problem, find the closest estimate. Ready? Here's your division problem. And here's your 3 possible estimates. So what's your closest estimate? Remember to ask yourself these questions when determining the closest estimate. The closest estimate is 120. How did you do? 10-minute math, closest estimate, problem number 2. Without solving the problem, find the closest estimate. Ready? Here's your division problem. And here's your 3 possible estimates. So what's your closest estimate? Remember to ask yourself these questions when determining the closest estimate. The closest estimate is 125. How did you do? Activity 1, multi-step problems. Let's take a look at this multi-step problem. We know that the Smith family bought 3 crates of 24 oranges each, and they have eaten 13 oranges so far. What is an equation that we could write to represent this problem? We could write 3 times 24 minus 13. What is the unknown quantity in this problem? In other words, what are we trying to find out? What letter could we use to represent the number oranges that are left? We could use an O for oranges, but the letter O looks a little too much like a 0. So why don't we use the letter F for fruit? We discussed before that in an equation with no parentheses, you solve any multiplication and division first, and then any addition and subtraction, and you solve from left to right. So F equals 59 oranges. Activity 2, Math Workshop, Multi-Step Problems. Your job today is to solve multi-step problems and write equations using a letter for the unknown to represent the problems on Student Activity Book pages 491 to 492. Remember to use the context of the story problem to write equations with a letter representing the unknown quantity. And make sure to use clear notation in your solutions and solve all parts of the problem. Unit 7, Session 3.4, Multi-Step Problems. Follow-up. Have a memorable Monday.